Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you guys are doing and how your new year has been down in the comments. Like, y'all, what is that? All right, like, y'all, I still got the Christmas tree up. I have to take Christmas stuff down because your girl has been sick with COVID. The whole house. I had the brutal worst of it. It was hard for me. So yeah, I've been down for almost 4 weeks. This is going into the month of February. This is the last few days of January. When you guys see this, it'll already be February. But yeah, I've been doing good. This last week I've been recuperating and coming out the house. Coming out the room. I literally been locked in the room for 3 weeks because we didn't want to risk my mom getting sick, but she did. So we dealt with that. Thank God she didn't get like extremely ill, but she did get sick. I don't know. I think God has just been speaking to me lately. You know, I've done a few days of fasting and all of that. And y'all, I think this year I'm going to pour into not just myself, but in my family more than I ever have before. I don't think I'm gonna be on social media a lot this year. I'm going to focus on really like my mom's health. Everybody got COVID except for hubby, and when I say I am so thankful for that man, he literally has been me plus him plus everything else, like cooking 3 times a day, making sure we get our food on time. He makes sure mom get her medicine, her baths, all that good stuff. So I appreciate that man so much. And when I say, you guys, be very intentional on the person that you spend the rest of your life with, because you need a partner in life. You know, even as a housewife, I don't feel like, you know, like I don't have a partner. I feel like, you know, I feel like I have the best man in the world, you know. Anyway, but this year is going to be a really great year. Like I said, this year we about, you know, investments, and we're about not only investing financially but investing into our family. Like, I just looked at mom because she was a little weak coming out of quarantine, and I just thank God. I just thank God I have her. Like, me and my mom were like this, you know what I mean? And so right now we're decorating her bedroom. I know I'm gonna do a video about it. You guys will probably already see the video when you see this, but we were talking about, you know, she was like, when I, you know, thought about moving down here, I didn't think it would be like this. And, you know, that kind of breaks my heart a little bit, but I'm trying to pour into her a little bit more because she could barely take a couple of steps, and I'm just like, oh no, we got to make sure we keep you up and going. So I have to put a lot of focus into that. I put a lot of focus into my YouTube, so I'm gonna take some of that energy away and put it into my family. Yeah, so that's basically what's been going on around here. Nothing much. Literally quarantined. Okay, they said we're supposed to get some type of snow in February, so I don't know if we will or won't, but I'm gonna prepare for it anyway. I'm gonna run around probably to HomeGoods, Home Depot, because we need to go get some flooring for our room, and just a few places just to see what kind of pillows. I'm looking for some pillows, and I'm looking for some plants and flowers. I pretty much have everything else. I just bought this bomb ass chair from Living Spaces. I'll include a clip because I think I did record a clip on my phone, and I like it a lot. Mom loves it. I cannot wait to like do this video because the style that I have in my head, ooh, I hope it comes to life. But yeah, let me go ahead and get on out of here, go shopping or whatever I'm gonna go do, and I hope you guys follow on along and have a really really good day today. This is the flooring, the next flooring we're trying to check out, but got something in the mail. I don't know what it is. Y'all, Wayfair, oh, this is it. Wayfair is sending me a lot of different stuff. to review. And this might not be too bad in there, because I'm gonna order another one. This is what's this called? A chandelier. I bought this for the formal, not bought it, Wayfair sent it to me, and I got it for the formal dining, but I'm not sure, because I've seen another one that they're gonna send to me, and I just ordered it. This kind of pretty good. Huh? Getting big out here, babe. Okay, so we can actually take that and put that in the trash. So I am in HomeGoods, just looking for some stuff. Came here the other day. They have all the Valentine's stuff out. I know, I'm not sure if we're gonna do lamps on the side of mom's table. I need a pedestal. Pedestal table. Like, this is really cute. I like that. I wonder if they have two of them. The drawers kind of deep. I like that. This chair is kind of comfortable. It was cheaper than the chair that we got mom. It's only $3.99. It's really cute.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Mom's side table. I like these. Those are really, really cute. Ooh, and I really like these. I don't want to be too hasty. I really want to see it in the space, but I feel like I should go ahead and just like get these. I really like these for her room. I feel like I should, because I can always bring them back if it's not what I like.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show?
Okay, so I got 2 of these. I actually got 3 to see what it's gonna look like, but I need to take these back. And I got these yellow mustard pillows. Y'all, it is dark, because you guys know it's still winter time, so super dark in the house right now. These are like a yellow mustardy pillow to match with this. So those will be the pillows. I got 2 of them. And then these pillows that are $28, I didn't like them at all. So I'm going to take them back. And I didn't like how these looked on the side of mom's bed, so I'm gonna also take those back. I just like how they looked next to her chair in there. So that's what I got. Like I said, you guys will probably get this video before I mean, you guys will probably see the home decor video before I actually get the video. I have the ladder here. Matt, that's my twin. And I do not feel like, do we feel like taking down, cutting that part out. Do we feel like taking down the tree today?
You and Matt can do it.
You don't feel like it?
My foot is hurting.
Oh yeah. But I'll holler at you guys on the next one. Bye guys.